Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I am Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you found any kind of value in this video. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis. And make sure to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any videos like this. And let's just keep it as simple and as beginner friendly as possible as always. So today we have a big day about Matirials. So we're the 2nd of July. So will the dividend will be paid out? We'll be talking all about this in today's video, so make sure to stay tuned, guys, because this video will be 9, I guess, maximum minutes. We will see what will be happening with that, but I will try to cut it as short and as simple as possible, okay? So, for those of you guys, we're going to be answering some basic questions in today's video. Also, we're going to be talking about what the Matirials announced it on their Twitter, and yeah, this will be basically it. So, first of all, Matirials on 30th of June announced that news from yesterday confirmed this upcoming catalyst, okay, with MMAT, the ticker symbol. So the dividend placeholder will be today at 6:30 or 30th of June, and the MMATF shares exchange at the July 2nd. So that's the day. And the Meta management will hold a webcast on Tuesday, July 6th. This is why one person again said into the comment section below what will be happening on the 6th of July. So they will be holding a webcast on Tuesday, and July 6th, 1 p.m. EDT, that's the time zone, to discuss recent events and future growth initiatives for Matirials and etc. Okay? Oh, excuse me about that. That was my phone. So that's about that. So we are back today. I think that the price will be pushing to the upside. We will see, because we're 2nd of July, so that's why they say that the dividend placeholder, the MMATF shares exchange will be on the 2nd of July, and we're waiting for the 6th of July, and then we're good to go. And I know a lot of people are saying, oh, where are the dividends and all this stuff, bro? I mean, come on. I know, stop asking about this, the dividends, okay? Get it though, get it through your head that you will get the dividend when they sell out their assets, okay? And I know, not all of you are they short on cash. Trust me, we are gonna be getting your dividends, and I covered more in depth about the dividends in my yesterday's video, so make sure to go check it out if you want to. But look, I know a lot of people say that they're planning on holding long on MMAT, on Matirials, but there's really nothing wrong with the waiting to, if you're if you want to take out some shares or for the short term, if you don't want to bleed at the moment, do that, okay? So it's not that bad, and it's reassuring to yourself that making money quickly is not okay, and it's a lot better feeling than watching all this behind the scenes stuff going and it still will bleed out. So the basic thing, if you do not understand what I was talking about, if you want to get out. It is always up to you. It may go a little lower and then just get in right there, so it will not be the kind of a big thing, okay? It will always be up to you, and if you're just planning on going long for the long term on MMAT, and then get in after some kind of a dates, if you think that the stock will be pushing to the downside, it is always up to you, and I'm not really gonna be concerned about this, okay? So again, another question is, will you or will we get the dividends on the old stock shares, right? Or not the reverse split amount? The answer for that will be yes. The dividends is on the amount of shares you had before the split, and you will get the dividends still before 2022, so not be really concerned about that. Everything will be good, guys. And I know a lot of people are really questioning, oh, where are my shares and all the good stuff. I still have not received my shares. Oh, where are they? It's 9:30. I don't know what, I don't know when. But guys, keep in mind, you are going to be getting your shares, you're going to be getting your dividends, excuse me about that. You are going to be getting your dividends before 2022. So stay tuned. Also, don't always put all your money on that deep before planning on buying MMAT, because MMAT is a great company to own, and they just did a merger with TRCH, and I think that you already know that. And also, guys, for those of you who are holding MMAT and who are planning on selling it, don't panic sell, guys, okay? Do not panic sell. A lot of people say, oh, we have been robbed and all this stuff. You have not been robbed, okay? You have not been robbed or something like that. Nobody steals from you. I don't think that the actual CEO is with the hedge funds, because the hedge funds are shorting this, and when this goes down they make money. But I don't think that the CEO is that kind of a FUD and is with the hedge funds. I just think that in this case a lot of people are like panicking and they're just selling, and that's what pushes the price down. But again, it will not be that big of a problem if you just get out with all of your shares. And again, when the thing that the price is far more like accurate, and if it stands out with you and at the end you make money, it will not be that kind of a huge like problem or something like that. It is always up to you guys. But look, in my opinion, for those of you who are investing in MMAT, stay, like, hold your shares. If you want to help out the company, just hold your shares. That's how you're going to help the company. That's what's going to trigger the hedge funds for shorting this stock. If they keep shorting, their shares eventually must expire. And if you just hold your shares, there's not like they can keep shorting, but their shares will expire, okay? And that's why we push the price to the upside. I hope that a lot of people are going to be getting their dividends before this thing short squeezes. It will short squeeze if you just keep your shares, okay? That's basically the thing, and so on and so on. So I think that I answered some kinds of questions today upload, so make sure to comment down below what do you want me to answer to, and let's just keep up with the technical analysis at this point. So Matirials at the moment, as you can see, I think that you already saw that, because that's all I did was talk about that and answer some questions. So Matirials is sitting a price of around $6.90 at the moment. Today we are down 39 cents, or approximately 5.35% today. And again, we're pushing to the downside. We are at the zone that I like. I had a zone at 673, I guess. Is it at that point? Yeah, 673. And we just touched that today, I guess. The low of this candle is at 675, so it was just above that. And guys, I think that we're going to be pushing to the upside for the long term, but at this point we're pushing to the downside. I think that we need to fill out these imbalances right here, which we had a candle do that. But don't be concerned about that. Make sure to average down if you can, if you have a buying power, and don't make this mistake when investing. Always have a buying power to average down, because you are going to be hit your head in the wall if the price goes down and you cannot just average down, okay? So the actual trend that we are in on the 1 hour time frame, we're in a downtrend, of course. On the 4 hour, we are in an uptrend with the moving average 200. The volume, let's just talk about the volume, because the volatility is really important. So for the past, I cannot see the market from this, but it was somewhere, actually from 29th of June, we have been just below the daily average, and the daily average was 44 million, then 45 million, 45, and so on and so on. But we have been some like 20 to 30 million, maybe 10 million per day, and so on and so on. So guys, this is basically about the simple update about the Matirials. I hope that you understand something. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe, and peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.